Keeping your network performing at its best means spotting and resolving issues before they affect users. Site 24/7's performance reports give you insights into how to act quickly and plan effectively. We'll focus on network performance reports in this video. First, let's look at reports available across different network monitors. To access them, log into your Site 24/7 account, go to Reports, and search for your monitor name. Interface Performance Report. Use this report to identify bandwidth hogs and traffic spikes that can impact performance. When you open this report, use the filters at the top like monitors, resources, time period, and attributes to focus on the exact device or interface you need. The summary table shows your average, minimum, maximum, and 95th percentile values for received, transmitted, and total packets per second. The line graph below makes it easy to spot spikes or dips over time. When you're ready to share or save your findings, click Share This in the top right corner. You can export the report as a CSV or PDF, email it, or schedule it for regular delivery. Busy Hours Report. This report helps you understand when your network experiences the highest demand. Knowing your busiest times allows you to schedule maintenance during off-peak periods, improve capacity planning, and ensure critical services stay online during peak usage. Burstable Bandwidth Report. Use this report to track bandwidth usage against your committed limits. It highlights when and how often your bandwidth exceeded thresholds, helping you manage service provider agreements, prevent overage charges, and budget accurately for network capacity. WAN Link Report. Leverage this report to assess link quality and utilization. It reveals inbound and outbound traffic patterns, errors, and discards so you can detect congestion early, prioritize critical traffic, and plan link upgrades to avoid outages or degraded performance. Inventory Report. This report gives you a clear picture of all monitored devices and interfaces. By tracking asset status and grouping devices by your preferred method, you can spot underutilized resources, streamline troubleshooting, and ensure all network components are accounted for and functioning. Reviewing these reports regularly keeps your network running smoothly, prevents bottlenecks, and ensures a great experience for users, all while saving you time and unnecessary costs. We'll cover NetFlow and network configuration management reports in the following videos, so stay tuned.